Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I am bringing you to a tropical unboxing, I suppose. There are a couple of items behind me, as you can see, and that is why I have this hoodie on, and you could probably tell from the thumbnail and everything anyway. Possibly tropical. I mean, two of the pieces fit that criteria, two do not, but yeah, I have not worn this hoodie in literally, I think, like 4 years, 4.5 years. Maybe 5 years now, actually, I haven't worn it in, so it's been quite a bit of time. But yeah, we're just going to get straight into this. I'm really looking forward to this. I've put this off for literally like nearly a week now. So yeah, I hope you enjoy nevertheless. As per normal, let me know down below whether your Supreme items have arrived. And we're just going to get straight into this because yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so as you can probably hear, it's very windy outside, but nevertheless, as you can see, we've got a couple of packages which we're going to build up in the level of hype to, going from this one to the one down here to this one to this one. So yeah, let's just get into that. That's basically it. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're going to be kicking off with this, which is just going to be a hoodie from a certain group. Now, I was told that the sizing you need to size up on. Here's the thing, I'm fitting like a medium large at the moment. The size that was available was an XL. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. I don't think I'm going to be putting it on now purely because I've got this on. I'm really not looking to change soon, but I will wear it at some point in time or soon enough. I'm really not great at opening packages, am I? But anyway, got a sticker first and foremost. Let's move that to the side. So anyway, let me open this up. There you go. Well, there you go. Now you can see it. There you go. It's from the lab. So yeah, this looks very large. I will be honest, for the size that it is. I will probably wear it at some point in time or in a video soon enough. But yeah, and there's a little sticker as well that can go next to it. So that is the first item out of the way. I feel like this is very far back for once, but yeah, like I said, we're going up in levels of hype, I suppose. Fortunately, this is just a tear box, I believe. There's no, like, yeah, I just got to tear it. So we're going up in levels of hype in the end, and brilliant. God, seriously. That wasn't nice. That was a good old paper cut. Lovely. Right, let's keep going. Hannon, I'll be honest, thank you for the win. Make your boxes easier to open, please. The love. Oh God. This is the most difficult tearaway box that I've ever had to open. Anyway, this is going to be a raffle win. My first raffle win with them in like 2 and a bit years. Now, it's obviously for something recent or what was recently released. However, the issue is I wanted to get it for the personal, but I don't think that the size will fit, purely because of the fact that they say that you should go a size up because they fit small. I got it in a UK 9. Now here's the thing, I should have just entered for a 10 because I'm not a UK 9. Like, well, that's just come straight out. I was thinking in terms of Adidas, how it would fit, but yeah, I think I you know, went with the wrong decision. So anyway, here they are. They're going to be the core colorway, are they? Yeah, the core colorway. So that does not look like it would fit me at all. So there they are. I mean, at the end of the day, they are quite cool. God, they're really thick, aren't they? I didn't realize they're that thick. They're very soft as well, really soft. But as an overall, if Palace are going to be releasing Crocs, then I will probably end up going for them and having them for the personal instead, and just keep these like dead stock, I suppose would be the way to put it in the end. Next up, we have this massive box here. Now here's the thing that I find funny and disappointing about this. This is going to be from Kith. Now, you know my luck with Kith is terrible, to say the least. But for some reason, when a drop came out during last week, the item was out of stock, but I'm guessing what happened is that it loaded stock on the back end, I believe people say, or that's what happened, and that is why a lot of us were able to check out on this specific item. Now, I wish that the same thing happened with the Travis Scotts, like the Jordan 6 Travis Scott, because then I have a pair of them, but it hasn't happened so far, so we're just going to have to stick with this pair, which is fine, absolutely fine, because I'm keeping up my sort of tradition, I could say, of copying this type, God, it's so loud, of shoe, because I haven't missed a drop except for the like OG. Since then, I haven't missed a single drop, and I've been able to cop at least one pair since, like every single drop. So let's get them out. These are the Sakai vapor waffles that recently came out. Now, I was tempted to personal, but at the same time, I was able to get the black colorway that came out previously, and I ended up getting rid of them because I'm not a person who likes big, bulky shoes. Like, my foam posits are probably the biggest and like bulkiest pair that I own. So these, to be honest, the only colorway that I liked, I didn't cop. I took an L on. So yeah, with these, I don't really know how to feel. I don't really know what to do with them. A lot of people have said they look really nice in hand. I really dislike these boxes, honestly. But yeah, we'll have to see how they look now, because... Is that suede? I don't remember any of the prior ones having suede, or did they? I don't know. But yeah, these are going to be the Sakai Vapor Waffle in the dark iris colorway, as you can see. I mean, yeah, no, I can't give them a pass. I mean, the colorway is nice, but I prefer the tan one over this one. It does look like quite cool, I will be honest. It does look quite cool, but at the same time, I preferred the tan colorway. And again, I just don't like massive bulky shoes. It still looks like a duck beak at the back. I think they're cool, but I prefer the originals, or even like the nylon ones. I prefer them over these, so yeah. I'll see what I'll do with them, I'll think about it. I'm gonna struggle to put this in the box, so yeah, give me a minute. But yeah. Okay, so we're moving on to the final item. This is the item that I'm really happy about. It's from Remix Blackburn. I'll send them, I'll put it like probably on my Instagram story just to thank you, because I am so happy about this. This is obviously going to be for the recent release of the Hawaii or the 420 Dunk, being the Maui Wowie, if you want to call it that instead. I'm just going to play a clip whilst I open this of my reaction, because I was playing a game with a friend when I went onto my emails and saw my win. So whilst I open this, I'm gonna let you listen to that pretty much. It'll be like 20 seconds or so. So yeah. Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Oh. I won the Hawaii Dunks!
No way!
I won them!
Yes. How do you win so many raffles?
Oh, let's go, personal pair. So, now that I've opened that up and you've seen that, let me just give a little explanation for these. So basically, there were two options when it came to their raffle. You could enter the raffle for the pair, but you could also then enter for the socks. If you entered for the Dunks, you weren't in instantly for a chance to win the socks. You were put into like a separate raffle for it, and the same vice versa. You could enter and choose the socks, but you might not win the Dunks. So I saw their Instagram post of like, wins gone out for the socks, and then later on, you know, it happened, and I won both. I won the Dunks and the socks, so I've got them both together. So yeah, let's crack this open anyway. So, oh, it's a rainbow box. Oh, it's my first rainbow box. That's cool. So we've got one of their sticker packs, first and foremost, which is great, because I love stickers, and yeah, that's just great. So let's get the socks out. So there they are, Nike Everyday Max lightweight Hawaii socks. I'm gonna be slapping this all on in a second, so don't worry too much. And then I'm just gonna get my invoice out. Oh my god. And there they are. I can't believe that's my first rainbow box. That's amazing. I've never had one of these. In all the Dunks that I've got, I've never had one. So that's so cool. Wow, that's actually such a cool colorway for a box. I've never got one of them, so that's, oh, I'm so happy. Right, box is damaged, don't care. They're for me, they're for the personal. So yeah, let's crack them open. Oh, yes. Right, there you go. There they are. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm trying to avoid touching them with the finger that I've cut because I don't want to get blood on them or anything. Oh wow, they're so cool. They're so cool. Right, let me get the other one out. Ah, that's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I also completely forgot to say, but now that I've packed everything away, I can't say it in the same place that I was, but may the 4th be with you. There they are. So, if you didn't know, with these, what you can do is you can actually cut away the material that is here and all the way around, and it will be a completely different color below. It's basically like a tearaway material. Laces colorways that we have as well are orange and green, or olive and orange. I prefer just to leave it with this like natural tan sort of color, but yeah, there they are. Look at them. They're so, I love them so much. And obviously, I mean, it's not the perfect match. The underneath matches so much better with specifically the flowers that I've got. I'm pretty sure these are Hawaiian hibiscuses as well, but maybe I'm wrong about that. But yeah, I love it so much. If you didn't know the main reason why I really wanted these, other than the fact that I love them and that they can match something at last, I bought a pair of KD6s, I believe they were, floral, to match. They didn't look great, they weren't comfy, so I got rid of them, and I've been waiting for a pair of something to go with this. Let's crack the socks out, which should be my size. I know people will be like, no, don't do it, don't do it. Yeah, let's get these out, because I'm just so looking forward to this. Well, that's that done, no going back. Right, and let's slap these on. I'm not going to show my feet, because I don't know if there are people with like foot fetishes or something out there, but yeah, this is how the socks look. Fully out. I love that. I just love the design and the little speckles of colour that are through and through. Yeah, and obviously they say left and right, so you know someone like me doesn't get confused. I really like them. Even just the socks I really like. But yeah, let's throw them on all together. Right. If you didn't know, the insole also has a really nice orange colour and design to it, but yeah, I need to do this with my left hand because I can't use my right hand. But as an overall, I just love everything about them. I'm just a massive fan of, so yeah, like, oh, well, I just undid the laces, so no going back now. Let's put these on because I can't wait, and let's move this out of the way with that in mind. Yeah, for some reason, whenever I'm here, I always want to do like that Captain America where he leans and does that. I just wanted to do like, so you decided to cop some dunks, and it's just like, for me, that's always been something that just clicks into my mind when I like sit here or when I put my feet up here. I also just noticed it's got one of those cool little pocket things to it. Wait, I never noticed that. I didn't even notice that on the pictures or anything. Okay, so we've got them on. Let's cut this off as well, by the way, because it's so annoying to just have on, especially when they're for the personal. Look away, you know, because I am cutting this straight off, so there you go. I know there's probably a way to get it off without cutting it, but at the end of the day, I can't be bothered, so yeah, here they are anyway. The outfit, I hope it works, it better work. Like, I don't know how to get myself into a position where you can like, this isn't safe in any way, into where you can see me like that. Like, God, this chair spins a lot, but like, I don't know. I mean, you can just see at the end of the day, the colours and everything, and I hope it goes together. I might look like a complete idiot right now, but at the end of the day, I cannot be happier, honestly. And I know more specifically what they're for, or what they were released under, being 420. I know, you know, what the date is meant for, and I know that doesn't fit to me or my criteria of me, or like me as a person, as an overall, but that is going to cover the video anyway. So thank you for watching. That's going to cover it. I'm so happy, and yeah, I'll probably end up getting rid of the first two things, just because I don't know if I'll keep them or what, but nevertheless, these I am keeping. As you can tell, I've already taken these out and everything, so yeah, that is going to cover it anyway. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, let me know whether or not you got a win for one of these or one of the other dunks that came out, or anything else that came out, and yeah, that is going to cover it. I helped as well, irritatingly enough. There was another raffle for the Hawaii dunks, and I saw it and it was sort of like half placed down, so I linked someone about it, told them about it. They put it in a certain group and quite a few of the people won. I was not one of those people who won, even though I saw and found it, but nevertheless I'm glad that people can have some wins and hopefully have some personal pairs if they'd like them. But yeah, shout out to the lab, obviously. But yeah, thank you for watching anyway. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.